Imagine you're starting an online store. You have the perfect product idea, a beautiful website, and a burning desire to succeed. But there's one major hurdle: inventory. Traditional dropshipping often involves dealing with multiple suppliers, managing inventory, and handling shipping logistics. It can be a complex and time-consuming process. That's where Spocket comes in. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that simplifies the entire process. It connects you with a vast network of suppliers, offering a curated selection of products that you can add directly to your online store. Key benefits of Spocket. Product sourcing. Spocket's search feature allows you to find products based on various criteria, such as category, price, and trending items. This helps you discover products that align with your target audience. Supplier vetting. Spocket carefully vets its suppliers to ensure quality and reliability. This eliminates the risk of dealing with unreliable or fraudulent suppliers. Product images and descriptions. Spocket provides high-quality product images and detailed descriptions that you can use on your online store. This saves you time and effort. Pricing and profit margins. You have control over the pricing of products on your store. Spocket provides pricing recommendations to help you set competitive prices and maintain healthy profit margins. Shipping and fulfillment. Spocket handles the shipping and fulfillment process. This means you don't have to worry about managing inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. Order tracking. Spocket provides real-time order tracking, allowing you to keep your customers informed about the status of their orders. Getting started with Spocket. Create an account, sign up for a Spocket account, and explore the platform. Find products. Use the search feature to find products that match your niche and target audience. Import products. Add the products you like to your store with just a few clicks. Customize listings. Customize the product descriptions, images, and pricing to match your brand. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically forward it to the supplier for fulfillment. Tips for successful dropshipping with Spocket. Niche down. Focus on a specific niche to build a loyal customer base and differentiate yourself from competitors. Build trust. Prioritize customer satisfaction by providing excellent customer service and timely order fulfillment. Optimize your store. Create a visually appealing and user-friendly online store that encourages purchases. Leverage marketing. Utilize marketing strategies like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your store. Continuously improve. Stay updated on market trends and customer preferences to adapt your product offerings and marketing strategies accordingly. Dropshipping with Spocket can be a profitable and convenient way to start an online business. By leveraging Spocket's features and following these tips, you can build a successful online store and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Ready to start your dropshipping journey with Spocket? Click the link in the description below to sign up for a free account and explore the platform for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.